Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called HookGPT, which is an amazing tool that helps to create unlimited interactive, engaging and memorable flipbooks in less than 60 seconds without writing, coding or expensive designers with the power of OpenAI and ChatGPT. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works with various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $2000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hey, welcome to the demo video of HookGPT. I'm super excited to have you here listening, watching. I'm going to try and make this as short as possible and as efficient as possible. So what we're looking at here is HookGPT. It's the software that, as promised, goes ahead, creates flipbooks, and as a result of that, of course, from multiple sources, I'm going to show everything here, and as a result of that, it goes ahead and gets you leads where you can mail those leads, collect those leads, and automate campaigns to these leads from this software, including offers to promote, including the flipbook creator. It's an all-in-one system right here in front of you. So, it's awesome. And it gets better. All right, let's get started. So first and foremost, we want to create a project and show you how it works. Project is very simple, right? We'll choose a project name. Let's call it Prince of Persia, right? I don't know why. We're going to create both an ebook and a flipbook. The reason I recommend always to create both is because you want to have both versions available always. Some people prefer ebooks. So, and we're going to create a simple ebook, right? We're not going to make this anything special for now. Redirect URL. This is the place where we want to send people and to make money, right? Any URL can be here. It's going to redirect them. Then we can add automation workflow, which is the emails that will be sent to the new leads, depending on the automation you set up in the automation section, which I'll show you later. And SMTP, which is to get leads to connect with your autoresponder. All right. Then after we have that set up, we can choose from 9 different ways to create awesome content for flipbooks. So multiple ways, right? You can create from videos, from URLs, from blog posts, RSS feeds, existing PDF, just from scratch even. But for the sake of this demo, and that's the most exciting thing that we added, using ChatGPT, the newest version. So let's try and create ourselves a nice little flipbook, right? We're gonna call it Prince, or this is basically what we want to ask the ChatGPT master there, right? So we're gonna call him, we're gonna ask him, can you tell me how to lose weight how to lose 5 in I don't know, 18 hours, something crazy, Let's see what ChatGPT says, and then we can add it into the flipbook. And the answer was definitely not what I was looking for if I want to sell a product like that, all right? But it's still a good answer. So basically, ChatGPT says rapid weight loss puts a strain on your body. So we can, of course, if we want to go with that, we can spin that, of course, and play with it and really make it and really help people understand that it's not healthy to lose weight. But if you're looking to sell like a a weight loss offer, like an affiliate, right, this is not gonna do the job, right? So let's go ahead and try 18 days. And we have a much better answer now. We have great 5 bullet points, and 5 pounds in 18 days, portion control, hydrating, just great advice. Let's say we have a nice little quick lead magnet, right? So we can add the answer right here, and we can add and create as many as we want, and out of that generate our flipbook and ebook. So let's see, can you give me the 7 best tips for staying healthy. All right, we got 7 good tips. We're gonna add them as well. And now we have, let's assume we have a full blown flipbook. You can of course create as many as you want, and out of that generate your flipbook. But let's say we have that. We're gonna continue. Now we have the 2 pages. Now we can split that into as many pages as we want by simply creating more pages and moving the text around. Now if we want to design our flipbook, we can go ahead and add media, basically meaning adding images into the flipbook. You can add different elements that we have built in, emojis, animal, social media icons. You can go ahead and add hyperlinks. You can use templates to design it. So we have done for you 18 done for you templates. We'll pick this one, for example, and we can go ahead and add our logo and watermark, and make ourselves, make this just whatever we want. We can make it beautiful. This is a photo of me that I uploaded. It's on the top right, etc., etc., and we can really design something awesome. All right. For the sake of this demo, I'm not going to do it because I want to get into it and really make it beautiful, but it's going to take some time, right? But yeah, you play with that. You really create your flipbook. You click on submit, and it's ready. What happens next is you go. What happens next is you go. I'm still waiting for it to go. Sorry, my internet is not the best today. And we have the flipbook generated called Prince of Persia. We got a full download link for the ebook and a download link for a locked ebook if you have locked it with an opt-in. Then we have the flipbook link and the locked flipbook link. Let's click on flipbook link, check it out. It's gonna load real quick, and that's it. It's ready. Of course, it's not as pretty as it could be if I were to invest a little bit more time in it, but it's ready, right? And that's how simple it is to create a flipbook that's ready, that's monetized, that's fully branded, and everything you want. All right, now let's reverse back into the software and check out a little bit more. So we can also create e-covers right here inside. So your flipbook or ebook, you want it to be presentable and pretty, so you can use our e-cover designer to create any e-cover you want from either templates, from scratch, as you wish. All right, really there are multiple ways you can play with that. Once again, if I'm going to take this once again, add sticker, I can design it really fully to myself as much as I want. All right, so once again, you go here, you design your logo, your e-cover, and you're good to go. You attach it into your flipbook. Next, all right, next we can go ahead and create our own templates. We already have one. We can create as many as we want as well. And these templates are going to be the templates of the design of the flipbook. Once again, you can create as many as you want. Of course, we have the option for automation, which I showed you right here on creating project. Automation simply means that it goes ahead and it sends people emails through a schedule sequence automatically after they join your list through HookGPT. Then we also have system settings where you can set up your autoresponder and SMTP, which is also autoresponder, just in a different way. And of course, you can send a direct email to all of these people at once, or depending on the list that you build for that. And that is it. You are good to go. From here, you have everything you need. I'm sorry, I forgot also the done for you offers and swipes. You get approval, guaranteed approval in all of these offers. All of these offers are high converting. Ours, of course. You can take the JV link, JV doc link, swipes link, affiliate link, use it into HookGPT, create a flipbook around this, right? So for example, if you go ahead and you take vid reviews and you check out the page and whatever it's talking about, right, whatever it's selling, you can go ahead into ChatGPT and essentially ask him, tell me about that software, and we'll give you information, or tell me about that niche, and we'll give you information. Then you create your flipbook, and everything starts automatically working. Traffic is coming, leads are getting collected, leads are getting emailed automatically. You're getting traffic, sales, and all with just a few clicks by creating the flipbook. And of course, I personally recommend that the more you invest into creating a flipbook, meaning creating a better flipbook, a more unique and fun to read and fun to engage with, then you will spend a little bit more time on creating it, but of course the result will be awesome. Okay, so yeah, that's how simple this is. You create a project. We have only a few steps in the project and everything is ready. Before you create a project, you can of course choose the offers, set up automation, create templates, and create your e-cover, whatever you want, and you're good to go. That's how simple HookGPT is. So I hope this helps you. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching this. Hope I'll see you inside.